Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how to change PLDT Wi-Fi password. Now, to go ahead and change your PLDT Wi-Fi password, you then have to know the router IP address that you have on your Wi-Fi. Now, to go ahead and do this, you want to navigate through a browser. From there, you then want to enter your router IP address. Now, in my case, due to security reasons, I'm not going to go ahead and type out my IP address right here. But after typing it out, you will be heading over into the admin page of PLDT. Now, the default admin login is going to be admin as the default username and 1234 as the default password. So you can just go ahead and use these credentials, and from there to go ahead and simply change the password of your Wi-Fi. You just want to navigate through security, and from there you will be able to change it easily, as you can see right here. Go through the encryption and security mode, and from there you then want to type your preferred Wi-Fi in the box provided. And so the credentials right here will only go ahead and work if you haven't navigated through the IP admin page once. But if you have, you then have to enter your newly typed Wi-Fi password to go ahead and work with the default login right here. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.